Hello Nursery A! Today we are going to read a book. Balu, say hello too. Hello Nursery A! Do you remember last week we were reading this book? The helicopter book? But we said next week we can read another book. Can you remember which book was that one? Beep beep! That was the other book. Nursery, what is this? A car, very good. Can you tell me the color of this car? Yellow, well done. And how many wheels can you see here? 1, 2. We can see 2 wheels, but remember that the cars don't have 2 wheels, they have 4. You can see it here, look. The cars have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? You can see it better like this. Cars have got 4 wheels, even if we can see here just 2. Okay, how many people can you see in the car? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think they are a family. Yes, I think that's a mommy, a daddy, a girl, and a boy. Could be. Okay, let's start our book. In this book, we are going to follow the noise of the car. We are all going to Granny's house. They're going to visit Granny. So this family, they have to go into the car to visit Granny. Let's see. Broom, broom, through the town. Look the town. They have loads of houses, yes? Pink and yellow and blue and white. Vroom, vroom, along the busy road. Can you see that there are loads of cars here? Do you want to count them with me? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. We have 9 cars here. Okay, Nursery A, can you tell me how many of these cars are yellow? How many? We count them together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 of the 9 cars, 3 of them are yellow. Nursery A, can you tell me how many of those are red? Very good, Nursery A, just 1. And what about blue? How many blue cars do we have here? 1 also, very good, Nursery A. And yellow? Again, 1. And now, which ones are the one left? The green ones. How many green cars do we have? 1 and 2. Very good. Stop! The traffic light is red. Nursery A, what happens when we see that the traffic light is red? That we have to stop. Very good. And if it's green, we could cross. But remember that if we are in a zebra crossing, we have to hold our grown-up's hand, okay? So we hold the hand and we go together. We cannot go ourselves. And always we have to take one side, the other side, okay? And then when we feel it's safe, then we can cross. But now it's red, so they stopped. Whee! Down the hill! Whoa! That looks cool. Can you see the hill here? It's like a little mountain. Yes. Do you think they're close to their granny's house? Let me see. I'm going to check myself. Okay, I'm going to show you, okay? Yay! Beep, beep! Hello, Granny! Oh, now yes, now they're all with their Granny. Oh, they're really happy. Do you think they're happy? I think they're happy. Balu, what do you think? Do you think they're happy? Yes? They're happy. Okay, Balu. Did you like the story? Nursery A, did you like the story? I like it a lot. Okay, Nursery A, we'll see each other tomorrow again. Remember, Olga and Alba love you and we miss you a lot. Bye-bye, Nursery A.